Anyways, guys, Plan B. Plan B is playing some Animal Company. You really can't see my hands, but I'm pointing at it. Alright, let's get into the video, I guess. Because oh yeah, I forgot.
I promise I won't sell it.
Sound from the viewers, please.
Yeah, give it back to him. Give it back to him. Okay. Can I have it back?
Who wants
Who wants to go to Haunted Mansion? Who wants to go to Haunted Mansion? Here. Everybody that wants to go to Haunted Mansion, gear up. Let's go. Cause I'm not waiting. Let's go. Let's go. Quick.
I should probably join the record and go to Mansion.
Yeah, everybody gear up and let's go. Pink. Go in the pirate server. Pink.
The code is
Are you speaking like the pirate server?
Give me my
Grind. What's the code?
what's the code to grind?
Huh?
The code is 1
That's if you want.
Yeah, Jake.
I'll still eat it.
ERW. 1 2 ERW. That's the code.
Anyways. Wait, what?
Hey, green. Look. But you're the guy from last time. I know you.
Wait, hold up.
Check your headset.
Okay.
Bro.
So
Hey, Red.
you're my friend. I remember you from yesterday.
Yeah. Red.
Robin.
What the fuck? Yeah. How do you do that? Hold on. Let me just sip on my iced tea.
Anyways, I came into a private server, and which is my only code that I joined, and I just saw you guys. So what a coincidence! Anyways, I'm gonna go check out the.
Hey, Red.
Yeah.
Red. Can you buy me a shotgun with ammo?
I
Red,
really
how much money you
can't.
have?
Cause
Red, how much money you have?
11. Right now I have
Red, how much money you
10,000. I have 10,000.
You broke. He's not broke. Yes, he is, bro. Bro, can you buy me a shotgun with ammo? No.
Okay, so these people are just flexing
You
on me,
gotta
so I'm gonna
get
just go to another
scolded.
code. If I could join. Okay, there we go. Alright, so I got into another code because these kids were just trying to make fun of me because, well, some kid was trying to make fun of me because they don't have any money. Let me check if I can find some people. Oh my god. My next game mode. Boombox. Go west. Give me the key. Yep, there we go. Is that there? Grab everything else. Now let's see. Join random. Hopefully I still have it like this. Like I left it. Or else game is gay.
Guys, how about we not waste our ammo on him? We're going to Haunted Mansion.
What the heck?
How about we just take waste our ammo on that guy?
Who wants to go in the private code? I have a
Put your hands up and start clapping.
Who wants to go in the private code? I have a
Put
key
your
on
hands
me.
up right now.
Okay, what is it?
Put your hands up and start clapping.
Who wants to go to Haunted House in the private code?
NYPD!
Alright, the code is
Cops be like
E12.
versus an-
E12.
Okay, let's go.
NYPD!
How do I let go of this?
NYPD, put your hands up.
NYPD!
LA.
I have to do that. Red, I'm not that stupid. You wanted me to join? I'm not that stupid.
It looks stupid to me.
I need ammo. Can somebody give me ammo?
I mean, guys, am I right? It looks stupid.
Oh.
There we go.
How do you guys get?
Who wants to go to Haunted House in a private code with me?
Me.
Okay, well, I'm gonna buy a flashlight.
wanna go.
Who wants to go to Haunted House with me in a private code?
Give me it. Oh. How do I turn it on? Oh. Okay.
Who wants to go to haunted house with me in a private code?
I'll join man, I'll suck your dick, man.
What is E12? I'm already gonna leave.
What's the
E12?
code?
Yeah.
B12.
I got the key.
Hello? Hi!
Can we also do sewers?
I really don't like sewers because I have a backpack.
Sewers gives a lot though.
I mean, if you want to
really
go,
like sewers.
if you want to go over there, you could go over there. It really doesn't matter. To
Red,
me.
wait, Red,
I'm just doing
Red,
a video.
Red.
Okay.
If
I'll
we
join.
go to Haunted Mansion, can you buy me another ray gun? Cause someone stole mine.
Does it look like I'm Jeff Bezos, kid?
I am Jeff Bezos. I have 107,000.
I only got $29.
That's insane.
Yo, right with the backpack and key, how much money you got?
10K, 11K now.
I have 107K. I'm Jeff Bezos.
I used to have 190K.
I had 1 million at one point, and my account got reset because every time you get reached to 1 million, your stuff gets reset.
Really?
It's not Sigma. Yeah, when you get to 1 million, your stuff resets.
Bruh.
So Howard, I'm trying to keep lower than 500K at least.
I'm trying to keep my 11K. Let's go then.
Let's go, guys.
You might want to buy what the flip? You might want to buy
I'm gonna buy me a backpack because you can just them.
Hey, I really don't want to cuss today, so hopefully I don't. I am making videos though, so that's something to warn you about.
Yeah, if you do cuss, just bleep it out if you can.
Yeah, I'm not really those kind of YouTubers because I don't care. It's not like I'm getting paid for these videos.
You get paid 1 cent an hour.
Oh, you're gonna attract the
Oh
anger.
yeah, the monster going glitched. They fixed that.
So harsh,
I let one rip die, I let one rip. Oh shit!
Why is it so dark? Why is it glitched? Oh, no, never mind.
Why is it super dark, bro? It's super dark! I'm gonna let it rip! Oh!
What the flip?
My bad. I just hate ugly people, which... The
So
monster's
the
very
angler
ugly.
fish. Oh my god, oh my god. Yesterday I made a not family friendly video.
I'm on a haunted house.
Alright. Yesterday I did not make a family friendly video.
Crazy.
Should we look for keys or should we just use the one in my backpack?
We can do that one in the backpack and then the next one we do, we can just go ahead and do the key around here.
Alright.
There's 2 keys every time, so there's more than 1 key every time.
There's actually more than 2 keys, but you could keep saying that. I always find like 4 keys in every time I go to the house. Ouch. Look, I found you. Oh my god, I'm going down. Houston, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. Damn.
I got them all.
Alright.
Yeah, these real quick. I got all the ones I could get at my level. Don't die, bro.
Yep.
It's pretty easy. I did it, bro. Oh no, my hand.
Oh no. Bye bye.
Tree right.
Hey, look. Oh, god damn. Whee!
Let me see how much I got.
I've been to that one dude.
I don't know. He kind of died.
It's this one.
Actually, yeah, look at that. At least 2K. At least 2K here.
1K.
I had 2K. I'm almost 2K.
Almost 2K. Almost 2K.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna get. Oh, I already have a flash. I'm good. Let's go.
I mean, I have more keys in my backpack.
How much do you have in your backpack?
A lot.
A lot.
Yep, a lot. If you don't trust me, just tell me to dump it out. Dump out my backpack.
Amazing keys and stuff in your backpack. You have a lot.
Yeah, I have a lot. A lot. Took me
Maybe
like
your keys.
it took me like 4 hours to get all these keys.
Damn.
I'm not getting near you.
I'm speed running.
Okay.
I made it.
Got it.
Shake it till you see it. This is your fantasy. Do you have a lot? Just put them in, bro. If you have a lot, just put them in.
I need to dump out some of my stuff. That's a crossbow. Oh, that's another crossbow.
Crossbow. Goddamn, how many crossbows you got?
That's a
What the
boombox.
Why do you have this in your backpack?
No questions.
I'll keep it. I'm not gonna lie.
No, fool, that's mine, boy.
You want it back?
Nah, I could get another one.
Okay, let's go.
Ouch. Ow. Ow. Oh, my hand just got
I'm
stuck.
bleeding.
My hand just got stuck. Oh my god, I swear. Alright, well, let me disconnect my controller and connect it again. There you are. There's gonna be a new update in this game, I think. That thing right there. Anyways, I'm gonna leave him. I'm gonna live without him. I'm gonna sell this one crystal that I got. Because that's how good I am. I got one.
The other ones I can
crystal.
see. So, let's go again. Even though the sewers takes longer and more likely to die, you can get the suitcases, give a lot.
I mean, if you want, you could go over there, but I'm making a video, like I just said.
I can't do it in this one. This one's much easier.
Oh my god, I got stuck in my flashlight. I'm not trying to die. What? Ah! Don't sell it yet, don't sell it yet. I still got one more.
Okay, not that.
Where was this one right here? But first it was that one doing this.
At least 1K. At least 1K.
At least 1 or 2K. Oh,
Same we got last time.
It's basically 2K.
Help me just real quick and I'll start moving again. Ready?
I was just scanning your bot already. What happened to that one kid that was coming with us? Should we look for keys?
I don't know, he just... I'm gonna go look for keys. You can do whatever.
Alright, because...
I've never
still have
died in the
keys.
haunted house.
I still have keys in my backpack. I'm the best at
shit.
getting keys. I find 4 every time. 4 every hour.
Whatever.
I'm not going here.
I'm gonna get the keys right now.
Okay.
If I was screaming yeah for it, don't ask. Oh hell no, I cannot do this shit, I cannot do this shit, like. I need you with me, I cannot do this shit, I cannot do this shit.
I bet.
Too scary. Oh you.
Ugly ladies over here.
I'm gonna crash out!
Oh, look. Hello, buddy.
Does it even kill?
No, it doesn't kill you. It just breaks your light.
Oh my god, I hate you.
Oh my god, we're not welcome in there. There is a key there. There is a key there, though. There's always 2 over there. Over here. Depending how lucky you are, there should be like 2 here. You know what? Never mind. There's nothing here.
Oh no, man, I do not do this with it. I have a grenade for my safety.
I bet. Just don't blow me up. Wait. No. You see anything? No? Let's go.
I hate them heads, bro. I swear they just pop out of nowhere and you think nothing.
Yeah, same. You kind of cussed, but it doesn't really matter.
I'm gonna crash out. Even if it's more haunted, you can never move on. By the scream, where'd you go?
Where? There's none in here?
Bruh.
Well, that's so lame.
I'm too scary for it, man. Too scary.
Is it in?
Key!
I bet. Oh. I'm just gonna grab it.
Get in. Get in.
Get my hand, stop disconnecting. Nope.
Nope.
I don't want to go in there.
Okay.
Grab it.
I can't get it. I have 2 more stuff in my back at this point.
Alright. Again. It's always when I record. Oh my.
Ding dong, you did that. Beat
Bro.
it for the next.
I'ma get
Ding
out.
dong, you did that.
Bro, I swear to God.
Take what you
need to
need
get out
from
of here.
me. Keep my thoughts in secrecy. You don't know what that means to me. Everybody got their